She's liking it. You want to do that? In a minute, okay?
Yay! With Grandma! Mason, you sure you don't want to go?
Sorry.
Now do the next one.
Give me your hand. Let's go. Get a drink. Get a drink. Drink. Don't run, you'll fall.
No. She had the croup last week, but.
Tyler used to be the only way I could get Tyler to take a nap.
Really?
Yeah. And he would lay on it and he'd want me to rock him. I mean, clear up till Dylan.
Look at Monty's on the horse.
And he honk out.
Mama. Hey, Presley. That's fun.
Yeah, big guy. And Dylan used to climb. He wasn't even a year old.
Can you climb up there?
You guys will have to.
He's a daredevil.
Come on, boys, say cheese.
Yeah, I wish I'd have bought those swings.
Cheese.
Are you taking a photo?
Taking a movie.
Around this swing.
Yeah. What are you having, Press? Chicken. It's good. You guys watering the flowers?
She's watering Grandma's flowers.
Hold it by the handle, honey.
Here's a pretty flower, Presley. Cookie. Nathan, you can water those. They need it. Then they'll open up.
Buzz Lightyear to start command.
I don't remember the people across the street.
Nathan yawning.
Aww. Aww.
Can you give Julie a hug? Give Julie a hug. You don't have to kiss. Give hugs.
Thank you. It was so good to see you.
Is that fun? Oh, you want another one?
Have another one? Oh,
You want to give Monty a hug and kiss?
here, give me.
Take your binky out. Give him a hug and kiss. Aww.
Oh. Nathan?